Let's say that you're not very good at drawing, but you want to make an illustration in PowerPoint that will impress your client and your boss. Hello, this is Gerard from Creative PowerPoint. Today, I'd like to show you how you can build gorgeous illustrations by compositing vector art you can download for free on the internet. And I take this example. I like to make something like that. A woman going out of her computer with shopping bags in her hands. And by simple compositing steps, we are going to turn this rough sketch into something gorgeous. Let's start with the illustration of the laptop. When you're looking for vector art, I recommend you to look at this very useful website called Andro.co. You'll find plenty of vector art, and you can use the images in your commercial projects. Here, we have this image of a laptop with a lady sitting on the keyboard. We can download the SVG file and insert it into a blank PowerPoint slide. We only need the laptop in our composition. So let's select the image, and because it's vector graphics, there's a graphics format ribbon. Go there and click on the Convert to Shape button. Let's ungroup the shapes and remove everything we don't need. Sorry, madam. Let's flip the laptop horizontally, and now we're ready for the next step. Now we'd like to add the lady going out of the computer. From Andro.co again, we got this lady holding a balloon. Her pose is very close to what we want, so let's download the image as a SVG graphics again and insert it into the PowerPoint slide. After converting the graphics to shapes again, let's remove any part we don't want, such as the balloon and the shadow. Let's resize and rotate the lady. We want the lady to appear as if she's going out of the computer screen, so let's move her feet below the laptop's keyboard. She's in a somewhat unstable position right now, and we want her to step her foot on the keyboard, so let's rotate one of the legs to position it over the keyboard. During this operation, we just need to edit a bit the points to bend the knee. Now it's time to add the shopping bags. Let's be as lazy as possible, and instead of drawing the shopping bags ourselves, take the shopping bags from this picture we find on Andro.co. Let's download this graphics image and insert it into PowerPoint. Let's get rid of everything but one bag. We want the woman to hold many bags, so let's just duplicate the bags and position them at the right location. We want the computer screen to display the image of a shopping mall. We've got here this shopping mall image from Pexels.com. Let's insert it into a PowerPoint slide, position the image over the computer screen, move the computer screen to the top, select the image, shift-click on the computer screen to add it to the selection, and in the Shape Format ribbon, select Merge Shapes, then Intersect. The white background is a bit dull, let's add some color to it. Let's add this background that contains a freeform gradient. I've made a video on a secret technique to create freeform gradients in PowerPoint, don't hesitate to have a look at it. Let's position the gradient in the background. The background has warm colors and the keyboard is a neutral gray. Let's adjust a bit the keyboard color so that some warmth of the background is cast onto the keyboard. Let's add a drop shadow to the keyboard and add color gradients to the shopping bags. Finally, let's add some semi-transparent orange triangles to create a sunburst effect. We are almost done. Before we complete the illustration, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your colleagues who cannot draw. Let's add some text, and to give some depth, let's add some drop shadows to the text. Then, let's add the shopping mall's QR code and again add some drop shadows. As you can see, it's super easy to turn any rough sketch into a creative PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, I'll see you soon.